Captivating rustic garden rooms, inviting nature into your home design. Introduction: the allure of rustic garden rooms. Welcome to Decor Lab, your go-to channel for inspiring rustic home decor ideas. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of rustic garden rooms. These spaces blend the charm of nature with the warmth of home, creating an inviting atmosphere that connects us to the great outdoors. If you're looking for ways to incorporate elements of nature into your home design, a rustic garden room could be the perfect solution. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to share your thoughts or ask questions along the way. The essence of rustic design. At the heart of rustic design lies a deep appreciation for natural materials and simplicity. Rustic garden rooms often feature elements like reclaimed wood, stone, and metal, evoking a sense of timelessness. When you step into such a space, you're enveloped by the textures and colors that reflect the beauty of the natural world. The key to capturing this essence is to choose materials that harmonize with the surrounding landscape. From weathered wood beams to rough-hewn stone walls, each element should tell a story, inviting you to slow down and connect with your environment. This emphasis Integrating nature, designing with the outdoors in mind. Designing a rustic garden room goes beyond merely placing a few plants inside. It's about creating a seamless transition between the indoors and the outdoors. Large windows and sliding doors can open up your space, flooding it with natural light and providing stunning views of your garden. Consider using plants as a natural partition or decoration, blurring the lines between your garden and your living space. Whether it's hanging plants, potted herbs, or vibrant blooms, incorporating greenery enhances the rustic vibe. Cozy furnishings, selecting the right pieces. Furnishings play a vital role in establishing the ambience of your rustic garden room. Opt for comfortable, inviting pieces that encourage relaxation and conversation. Think of oversized sofas adorned with cozy throws, rustic wooden tables, and vintage-inspired lighting fixtures that cast a warm glow. When selecting furniture, prioritize items that reflect a natural aesthetic. Think distressed finishes, organic shapes, and handcrafted designs. You can also repurpose vintage finds or family heirlooms, adding a layer of Color palettes, earthy tones to enhance serenity. Color plays a significant role in rustic design, with earthy tones being the star of the show. Rich browns, soft greens, and muted grays create a calming backdrop that mirrors the natural environment. When designing your rustic garden room, consider a color palette that complements the outdoors, allowing the beauty of nature to shine through. Accents of warm colors, like burnt orange or deep reds, can add depth and interest without overwhelming the space. Remember, the goal is to create a serene environment that encourages outdoor elements, bringing the garden inside. To truly embody the spirit of a rustic garden room, consider incorporating outdoor elements into your design. This might mean using garden tools as decorative accents, hanging rustic lanterns, or even incorporating a small indoor water feature. The sound of water can be incredibly soothing and adds an element of tranquility to your space. Additionally, think about using natural stones for pathways or indoor planters that blend seamlessly with the outdoor garden. By bringing these outdoor elements inside, you further enhance the rustic charm and create a personal touches, adding character to your space. A rustic garden room should reflect your personality and interests, making it a unique sanctuary that feels like home. Incorporate personal touches that tell your story, whether it's artwork from local artisans, handmade pottery, or family photos displayed on reclaimed wood shelves. These elements add character and warmth, transforming your garden room from a mere living space into a true reflection of who you are. Consider creating a gallery wall featuring nature-themed prints or a collection of travel memories. The beauty of rustic design lies in its ability to be both personal and inviting. Sustainability, choosing eco-friendly materials. As we embrace rustic design, it's essential to consider sustainability. Opting for eco-friendly materials not only benefits the environment but also enhances the rustic charm of your garden room. Look for reclaimed wood, sustainably sourced furnishings, and non-toxic finishes that contribute to a healthier living space. Incorporating energy-efficient lighting and appliances can also reduce your carbon footprint while adding functionality to your design. By making conscious choices, you create a garden room. Conclusion, your rustic garden room awaits. In conclusion, a rustic garden room is more than just a beautiful space. It's a sanctuary that invites nature into your home and creates an environment of peace and tranquility. By embracing natural materials, integrating outdoor elements, and adding personal touches, you can transform your living area into a captivating escape that reflects your unique style. We hope this video has inspired you to consider designing your own rustic garden room, where you can unwind and connect with nature. If you enjoyed today's content, please subscribe, like, and comment below.